Hi, I'm Neil, and co-founder of Medulla. Now, a few years ago, or not long ago, my co-founders and I worked at Cochlear, and we built products that let people like Katie hear for the very first time. Now, everybody thinks a cochlear implant and a complex device is made in a factory that looks like this, but that's not the case. Modern manufacturing is incredibly hands-on and at serious risk to human error. And Cochlear is a good example. In 2011, they had a problem in the manufacturing that was foreseeable. It resulted in faulty devices being implanted into people's heads and sparked a recall that dropped $835 million off its market value overnight. It was entirely preventable. Systems existed at the time that could have prevented it, but they've evaluated them. They thought they were too costly, too hard to implement, and frankly, a pain in the ass to use. So they hired us, and we built an equivalent system that was easy to use and at a fraction of the cost. And it was because we'd built a similar system for a company called Finisar just a few years before. Now, when billion-dollar companies spend millions of dollars building their own custom software, what opportunity do you think there is for the small and medium-sized manufacturing companies? So that motivated us to quit our jobs, form Medulla, and to tackle this problem. Medulla is a cloud platform that connects directly to the people and equipment on a production line. It's like a digital supervisor and quality control system that can identify and pick out every single mistake made along the way. And very soon, it will actually be able to predict those events before they happen. Most importantly, it's easy to install, easy to use, and incredibly cost-effective. There are 250,000 companies worldwide who fit our target profile. They are companies that can't afford existing solutions and don't have the resources to build their own. That presents a $15 billion market, and that's growing. So far, we've built our product to MVP levels, and we have 2 active trials on the way. With IDE, we're helping them remove pen and paper from the production line and replace it with digital records. And at Audinate, who use a contract manufacturer in China, we're providing them a window to the production line so they have direct visibility and supervision over what's happening. And we're starting to attract industry leaders like companies like Bosch and National Instruments who are really interested in our product. So tonight, we're opening a seed round. We're looking for $1.5 million so we can grow our team and expand our product and tap in to those large players. If you see value in helping companies reduce the risk of human error so they can build safer and more reliable products for customers like Katie, then come and talk to us.